Hi, this is Tom with CWC Supply. I'd like to introduce you to our full 100% Himod carbon fiber water-fed pole. This pole consists of 7 sections of 7 feet. At the end of the top of the pole, we have equipped it with our full carbon fiber angled gooseneck and a 12-inch double trim nylon brush equipped with 4 pencil jets. And as you can see on this brush, there's 2 sets of hoses coming out of it, which link into one fitting, and then this connects to the hose running through the pole. Now on the other end of the hose, we have equipped this hose with a garden hose or a shutoff valve and a garden hose female connector. We've also included a clamp tightening tool so you can adjust your clamps as needed. Now, as I said, this pole consists of 7 sections. It weighs just 4.8 pounds, so it's extremely light. It's ridiculously light at 4.8 pounds. And as you extend these poles, they're a little bit different than our other poles and most poles out on the market. Most poles give you the ability to release the clamp lever and lock it in any position. These poles are considered ergonomic friendly poles, so they don't clamp in every possible place on the pole. They only clamp in 3 places. You can clamp it at the top. I don't know if you can see this, but this is raised on the pole, and then it gets narrower, and then in the middle there's another place where it raises, and then at the bottom there's another place that raises. And those are the only 3 places you can clamp. And because of that, this pole is much better on your body as you're extending the pole. So meaning your pole is going to be extended in an increment that is most beneficial and ergo friendly to the user. To clamp these, you just simply slide it down. You can put it in the middle and clamp it on, and it's locked into place. You can go all the way to the bottom like you see here and clamp it into place. So just wanted you to be aware of that. It's kind of a different type of pole, and that's the reason why it is extremely light, is because it's made this way. So you can take sections off to make this pole lighter. And so getting back to the gooseneck, this is something that we had made for us specific. It's a full carbon fiber gooseneck. Your traditional poles will have an angle adapter like you see in front here. And we found that if you're working over 35-40 feet, there's a lot of stress and pressure put on these. And because it screws onto the Euro fitting at the top of the pole, that's a weak point, so they tend to break. So that's why we came out with this full carbon fiber. It's much stronger. This gooseneck actually slides over the Euro tip on the top section and comes down about 5 inches on the top of the pole. So it takes all the pressure off the point of the traditional screw-on type. So it's going to be stronger. This is going to allow you to get more depth into windows that are set in, maybe a foot from the edge of the building or what have you. So it's much stronger, and you're going to do a lot more with it. Excellent pole, available at CWC Supply.